Thank you for joining us again for another long COVID Advent calendar video. And today I would like to talk about one of the breathing exercises that Jackie and I teach to our long COVID clients to help prevent panic attacks or to help minimize a panic attack when they start. Because if you're like me, when you've got long COVID and things start going downhill, that panic and anxiety really rises and kind of gets going a little bit too fast. And we need to have some tools just to be able to slow ourselves down, hopefully not get into that place of feeling really bad, because that does not help with the other long COVID symptoms which we all encounter. Anyway, what we're going to talk about today is an exercise called hands cupping over face. So, looks like that. Remember that exercise that we were taught a long time ago about when we start hyperventilating and we have a brown bag and we start breathing in and out of the brown bag. Well, if you're like me, you don't carry a brown bag with you. And also when I'm breathing in and out of a brown bag, I feel suffocated, which I don't like. So if you do this hands cupping and you start to feel like it's not helping, you just remove your hands. It's as simple as that. And the reason that the hands cupping over face works is because when you inhale and then follow your inhale with an exhale, you exhale carbon dioxide and it gets pooled in your hands. And then the next time you do an inhale, you rebreathe that carbon dioxide into your lungs. And the carbon dioxide in your blood improves blood flow and oxygen delivery to your brain, which is what we're trying to get. That's what carbon dioxide does in our body. So it's a little biohack of how we can improve our body's ability to deal with stress. Studies have also shown that by doing this hands cupping over face, you can bring your blood pressure down by as much as 30 points. So that's another great reason to learn to do this exercise. Now, the other benefits of carbon dioxide in your body, or what does carbon dioxide do? It actually is your mitochondria energy producer. So we want to keep those levels high so that the energy is produced in our body. One of the ways we can do it is by breathing. Another way we can do it is by getting adequate calcium in our body. And then the third way is actually by supplementing our water with a little bit of salt and a little bit of baking soda. So you're kind of making an amazing electrolyte drink. And I did read about a great study about drinking carbonated beverages. So carbonated beverages have carbon dioxide in them. That's what makes them fizzy. And there has been instances where they've been used to prevent TIA, so mini strokes. That's how amazing carbon dioxide is. So if you're susceptible to panic attacks, I would suggest maybe traveling around with a can of soda water or fizzy water. And if you feel that coming on, it may be a great time to crack open your can and have a drink of some carbonated water. But the other exercise, once again, hands cupping over your face, inhaling and exhaling that air, slowing your breathing down, and hopefully that will take the edge off that panic attack.